It's such a pain to close my eyes. I'm falling in this deep immerse. Would you ever show me?
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked and loaded and ready for another one. Let's see if the G's can go 2 for 2. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
Hey, I'm a little mixed emotions.
Talk me through that gold trade this morning, bro. Talk me through that gold trade.
Chad, so listen, yeah, I'm not on a, I don't know how I get on a meeting, but I'm in a meeting, and while I'm in the meeting, I go check the live stream, and I see gold. Anyways, Chad, I don't know what to say. Beautiful trade either way. I think it's just testament of showing up every single day. That's what we talk about. Showing up every single day, getting to the charts, putting in the work. So, but well done. You guys held it out. And I think, Kicks, if you think about it, that is the price you pay for being patient. So
Yeah.
either you're going to get rewarded. So the guys that said, I'm happy to take a break even, and they got the reward. We maybe paid the opportunity cost, but either way, it was a winner.
End of the day, I mean, you walked out still with profits. You walked out on the blue side of things today. So, I mean, nothing wrong with that. You still remain the king of one-to-ones. So, there's still some
Sounds
positive.
horrific. That sounds terrible. The king of one-to-ones. That doesn't sound appealing. Like, hey, here's the king of one-to-ones. But it's better than a king of 10 pips.
Hey, there you go. I mean, considering what your one-to-one was a 30-pip move. So, I mean, nothing wrong with that. But, Chad, I think other than that, time to get things loaded. Before we do, though, Chris, as always, you're going to open us up with some prayer there, my brother.
I will, Chad. I think let's get set here. How's the audio? Audio good? Hope the audio is good. Sitting a little bit in the dark here. We'll sort it out, Chad, but it's much better than where we were blown out. So, can't even believe it's the same webcams looking at the 24-hour stream. But anyways, Chad, let's just quickly get our disposition right here. Close your eyes, sit down, lie down, stand up, whatever you feel is needed. But Father, we just want to thank you again. We come to you in Jesus' name, and thank you for another day. Thank you for blessing us. Thank you for giving us the ability. Thank you for the privilege of trading alongside our fellow traders here. Almost 120 traders here as they listen to our voice. I pray that you will bless us. I pray that all of the glory, all of the honor that we may receive, that we may just directly reflect it back to you, because everything we have, everything we receive, every opportunity, every gift, every good and faithful thing comes from your hand, Father, and we really want to make sure that you receive the honor, the praise, and the glory. Give Keegan and myself wisdom through this trading session. Give us insight, give us favor, and give us blessing. And we pray this and we ask this not because we deserve it, but purely from your grace and mercy alone. In Jesus' name. And if you believe that, you can say amen.
Amen.
Amen. There you go, Keeks.
All right, guys. Let's get into it straight away.
No econ calendar.
We will go through it quickly just to show the guys that we're not just lying to you. So obviously, guys, econ calendar, when we look at the fundamental side, literally euro consumer confidence, existing home sales coming out at 4 p.m. Orange folder, nothing really too much I'm worried about there. We are going to see a bit of a drop. That's what they expected to happen. And again, Richmond Manufacturing Index, again, not too worried there. So for me, nothing really to watch out for. Basically, from tomorrow, we're going to see everything start coming alive, as you guys can see there. So again, literally today, I think our last quiet day, and then tomorrow we'll see the fundamentals start coming into play. But other than that, guys, DXY. So what are we looking at? As I said to you guys, pretty much very bearish. But I said to you, we wanted to see us trade back up here to, again, the monthly S1. When we look here on the 4 hour, again, very much the same thing. We traded there. And what I said to you guys, you wanted to see where we closed. Closing actually very much above it. And now coming back, taking out that previous daily high. Now what we're going to watch out for is, again, previous weekly high up here, as we can see marked out. So we just want to take note of that one. But again, what are we looking for? 15 minutes. Very, very simple. We still at this point have Asia lows untested. So again, that is something we want to take note of. But currently, right now, how it sits, if DXY doesn't in the open come right back down to this S1, I actually want to say I'm probably going to be going a bit more bullish for the dollar. Reason being, this morning session I spoke to you guys, you wanted to talk about this zone. Failed coming back down, holding the EQ, then came back up to the S1, got the break above. Even though we broke back under, we still held this level of support. Well, rejection turned support, and now trading bullish again after that. So we just want to take note of that, and if we continue to hold that, very good chance we're going to see dollar start to rise. So that's going to be quite the interesting one for me, but we're going to see what happens there. We could get something as well of just taking out the previous weekly high and then that turnaround. So we're just going to keep an eye on dollar, but if we get anything back under this zone, I think the dollar is gone. So just an area of interest we want to keep an eye on going into this session. With NASDAQ, what are we looking for, guys? Still almost very, very similar. I personally want the buys, but again, this is going to become interesting now with what the dollar is doing. Obviously, looking bullish here, holding this level, holding the 200 level of support. 4 hour we traded, obviously coming all the way nicely. If we closed above here, this would have been beautiful for the continuation. But pulling back, so yes, we have a wick to fill, but again, still around those Asia highs, and definitely allowing for the possibility of a pullback. On the 30-minute, we're going to see here, there was your massive pullback, but again, not holding the Asia highs on resistance, closing a little bit above it, and then be trading bullish again after that. So what are we taking note of? Obviously traded low. There was your move to the top side. Now holding around here, also holding that 200, trading nicely above it now. So I think NASDAQ does have a chance to fight back, but it's definitely going to be an interesting one. More the neutral position going into NASDAQ for me. US 30 though, this is where it gets interesting. Personally, I'm still going to say I'm quite bullish. Reason being, obviously, us trading back down. Failing, yeah, for me, that could have definitely been the resistance move, but holding it out a little bit longer. On the 4 hour, we can see, obviously, traded there. Had the pullback going right back at it, giving us a nice wick. But again, at the same time, there's two ways you can look at this. If we get back under that monthly R2, same as we spoke about earlier in the week, or it was the end of last week, I think we spoke about it, is once we would trade under, a good chance we were going lower. Now, the thing for me is we could do something like this. If we don't hold this level and we break underneath the monthly R2, I'm going to look for the sells. And reason being, we spoke about this actually last night on our Project G call, is you guys should know what that it should be. So there you go, it should be your sweep, and that should be now your new flip zone. So again, that was that liquidity sweep, and now coming all the way back down, breaking lower, we'll take out these lows and come for the lower bottom wick and move to the downside. So you just want to keep an eye out on that. So again, very, very much a reaction day. we are ready for a big day on the markets today, so we're just going to keep a lookout there what happens. Then lastly, with gold, we obviously were expecting the bullish move, but I think there's going to be a bit of a fight here today. We have turned quite bullish, holding the lows, then trading back up, almost falling up a pet short of taking out the higher highs of the previous day. So we can see again this little level of resistance holding the daily R1, keeping us from taking that out, but still looking quite good. Obviously the 4 hour did recently close. Well, not recently, actually. We're going to be closing. No, it is recently. So this is the new candle. So even though we did close holding above Asia highs, if that holds above Asia highs, can definitely see us going for that wick fill. So again, what we're going to be looking for, the low moves to the downside, trading bullish. We can see a bit of reaction basically being the 200, where I think if gold can hold Asia highs, get above the 200, hold the 200, we can see that move. Remember, I said to you, we want to target basically as 24.18 on the day. So we're nearly there, guys. Definitely nearly on the cards. But if we start breaking down, if we even start getting back to this level over here, around about the EQ, good chance we're going to come lower and this whole setup becomes invalid. But if we hold here, definitely still game on to continue more bullish. So as I say, definitely still want to say I'm more bearish on the dollar and bullish on everything else. But honestly, right now, gold, the only one trying to give us a clear bullish momentum. Nasdaq USD, as much as I'm bullish, we are going to have a bit of a reactive day and just need to pay attention to candle closures. Over to you, my brother.
Yay, is it over to me? Chad, yeah, big shout out to Frana coming in here. So Project G members, you guys will receive that indicator tonight, doing the final touch-ups. And yeah, just a massive shout out to Frana. Frana, thank you for that. I think the boys are looking forward to it. But yeah, Chad, nothing on the calendar. As Keegan mentioned, just some consumer confidence. Don't expect the markets to really jump on that. Daily dollar index. Yeah, that's weird that it's still showing that. But anyways, I don't think we saved it. Chad, anyways. 104, let me just do this real quick. There's that key level we mentioned on the daily. That is that level that we expect to be tested. This is the big one. Whatever we're going to do here, this is going to determine the rest of the week. Start trading above that, we are bullish. Reject that, very likely we can still go lower. So keep an eye out for that. 4 hour, what do we have on the 4 hour? Now we are starting to trade above the previous daily high. Also now trading above the daily R1, monthly S1. Remember we said that at one stage this level is either going to hold as support or it's going to hold as resistance, and multiple reactions off that monthly S1. So is this now the time for the dollar to say, hey, hold on to my beer? A lot of what's happened has already been priced in. Don't get ahead of yourselves as of yet. There's still a lot of water that needs to run through the ocean. But there we go, chat. Previous daily high, daily R1, monthly S1. Very simple. This morning we were reflecting on this level, and we said whatever happens around this level is going to determine what we do for the rest of the session. Dollar is looking bullish. We are holding above a previous daily high. Now for the session, this becomes our key level. This level right here, that is the level, that zone and level that we need to monitor. US30, what do we have on US30? As mentioned, daily is somewhat bullish, considering bullish with a touch of salt, because I did tell you guys we can take the previous daily high and we can technically close down like this. Why? Because it is not it's not a swing low, Chad. We didn't take any previous daily lows, we didn't take any previous daily highs, so there's still the outside chance that today closes like this and tomorrow is the low of the week. So just be very careful there. Why is this like this? Give me 1 second. There we go. Beautiful. Much better. 4 hour time frame. What do we have on the 4 hour? 4 hour weekly pivot still out of sight. Monthly R2, Chad, believe it or not, we're so bullish we're at the monthly R2. And then on the 5 minute, we've got a beautiful Asia range that has now been taken. Previous daily high, remember, Project G members, go back in the chat. Just going to give you a tip. Gave you a tip. Market Wizards. Go and check it out. Previous daily highs. That's where things happen. Previous daily lows. US 30 starting to look somewhat. This song is anxiety. Like, this song is a lot of anxiety in one place. Let me just nuke this thing real quick here. Okay, that's better. US 30, Asia highs now rejecting. Asia lows have been taken. I'm thinking it's going to be a weird day. I think it could be a ranging day. But I'm going to be very honest with you guys. Very simple for me. This zone here, that is where you're going to be trading from. We took lows, we took highs. This is basically mid-range. This is almost a daily open as well. Yeah, that is literally almost a daily open. We're only up, down 0.4. So we're going to be trading from there. Nasdaq, what do we have on Nasdaq? We've got that daily as well. I told you I'm not sold that this is a swing low. Didn't take any lows. Look at even this low here. If you zoom in here, if you zoom in there and you go look at that, even though it looks like equal lows, that low was nip and tuck. So that's what I like to see for potential swing low, not this. This is cuck. So we might get another bullish day, then a bearish day, but I'm very, very careful. There's that weekly resistance level that we're supposed to hold on. So if you're missing that, that's what we're looking at there. For our, sorry guys, I have to do it comprehensively because some of you guys only come for this session and not the morning one. Weekly pivot tested once, previous daily high up there, 200 EMA there. So we're going to need to focus on what's happening there. And there is that zone we spoke about this morning. So Nasdaq is still looking bullish, Chad. Nasdaq is still looking bullish. I'm going to be very honest with you. The fact we took Asia lows, we took Asia highs. Nothing clean here. Keys, was there anything clean for you on Nasdaq?
No. I'll say to the guys, I actually prefer US 30 gold. Nasdaq,
Chad,
not looking clean.
The issue is we took Asia lows. We took Asia highs, all right, and now we're not trading near any key level. We're just like in the middle of nowhere. There's not a daily pivot. There's nothing. Daily pivot is down here. Asia highs up here, and then the weekly pivot. So I want to almost say, Chad, the safe trade there. Focus on that level. The rest is, this is cuck. Yeah, Chad. No, let the markets open it. I'm going to try and make sense of that chart. There's nothing. It's ranging. Dollar index, okay. Dollar index, listen to me. Gold. Okay, gold, I was bullish. And Project G members, what did I say last night? Actually, me and Keegan actually said the same thing. Chad, I just want to show you guys something here. So, because a lot of guys will think we these marketers. Oh, they said it's bullish tomorrow. They said it, but Chad,
the call was recorded, guys. These are things we literally can
Geek,
post.
sorry, I just see Dufan us said he paid for his membership. I'll send my reference by email, perhaps.
Dufan asked you already added to the group, brother.
Okay, there you go.
Just go check. It's the normal free 2Gs, but then scroll down, you'll see Project G.
Did Chris say he gave us his tip? No. Chad, sorry man, I have to. You guys have to back me up here. What did I say last night? And why did I say that? If you are not in the call, then you should start focusing. But Chad, what did I say last night regarding gold? We still have some time here. I just want the guys to say in the chat. And it wasn't even very difficult. It was something simple.
Yeah, for you.
For me it was simple. Keegan had like a thing. Okay, now it seems we've got nobody in Project G. So go exclamation G. Let's get some members.
There you go, Lyndon.
Let's get some members in Prodigy. It seems nobody here is in Prodigy. That's sad. But anyways, Chad. Chad, I literally told the guys last night, purely not even anything special. I just said, guys, let's consider this entire range that we've been in.
There, Ryan, Lyndon, Michaela.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Thank you for. I needed that affirmation from my fellow team members. Chad, I'm Keeks. Just gonna throw it over to you. I must answer this quick. I'm gonna finish gold now.
Thing is, Peter. The thing is, it definitely can still be bearish. We're talking about the daily time frame. Yeah, I mean, already, like I said, the move we caught, that's already more than a nice move for us today. So, yeah, like, it definitely can be bearish. But it's like I said, as much as it's bearish, you're still able to catch a move like this today.
Sorry, Keeks.
So, yeah.
Okay, Chad. So, just considering this range, and a lot of times I do this. There's no course on this. It's just the critical thinking and that course of elimination. So I looked at it and I was like, how many times have we had consecutive bearish days? And it's like we had 3 there, we had 3 there. How many times have we had 4 consecutive bearish days? And it's like, oh damn, we haven't had 4. So I was like, guys, even if we are going to continue bearish, very likely I'm just going to look for buys today. And I still told the guys I could be wrong, but I'm looking for buys, and buys is what we did. So again, still an inside day. We haven't taken the highs, we haven't taken the lows. I do feel like if we take yesterday's high, there's a possibility to go higher, but I also think we're going to actually trade like that, because look here, these days when we had declines, the next day, this day actually took the lows and the highs. This day just had like a very tiny body candle. So 4 hour time frame, let's quickly look at it. All right, 4 hour is showing me that the daily pivot EQ previous weekly low down there. Is that the previous weekly low? Yes, that is the previous weekly low. I told you we need to hold below that level if we're going to continue lower. And now this is where it gets interesting. Asia low is taken. There's that green block that we use. I don't know. I need to start using these blocks more because they work. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm drawing them. Price moves from them. But anyway, so now going into the session, daily R1 hit, daily pivot down here. Are we gonna see? I don't know. This would be classy, a classy act from gold, from the daily R1 to the daily S1.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it is gonna happen. I'm just saying it could be rough. But looking at gold now, gold makes it a little bit tricky now. We took Asia highs, we took Asia lows. This is a chalk day for me, to be honest. There's no continuation, but looking at the grits, I believe that's something bodybuilders eat. Kids, you must still tell me what is grits. I always saw Ronnie Coleman eating grits. But Chad, for me, very simple going into this session. I'm looking for potential sells here. Because the AD is starting to flip somewhat bearish and we are back in the Asia range. So if we continue to reject here, or I'm looking for potential sells down here, 2400, because then we're going to go below the 200. Otherwise, if we come down, I'm going to be very flexible because remember, it's still technically a neutral day. If we come down and we hold here, then I'll look for buys again, because the disposition here is that we've trended bullish. All of this could just purely be the pullback, and what do we expect? At least one more push for the highs, and so yeah, we're gonna see where we are at. But I've got 2 little zones here that I'm monitoring, and that is me, Keeks. Over to you, my brother.
All right, guys, and we basically have 3 minutes left till market open. We're gonna see what happens here, bro. If gold does do a flip like that, you know what's interesting? Hold on,
I've seen it, bro. I've seen it do that.
gold and USD all bouncing off the 200 right now.
Wait, what 200? The 15 minute.
Yeah, gold's 50-minute 200.
I
USD
check.
50-minute 200. Yeah, but we're gonna see, Chad. We're gonna see. Chris, when you have a moment, check your WhatsApp.
Who's that?
Nila.
Oh damn, yeah, sorry Nila. I think Frana saw a little bit how my WhatsApps looked while he was here. There is, again, it's not that bad. 15 unread. That's not bad. 15 unread. That's manageable. I get anxiety when I come off stream and it's 50. That for me is
I see a nice break of structure and 1 hour fair value gap at around 23.96. Bro, again, I'm not gonna say it's you now, my man, but I always get like a little bit of a twitch in my left eye every time I hear fair value gaps.
hulle gaan vir my. Okay, shot Nila. Werf julle die print is 60. Hemde straks so tussen. Okay. Nila, ek moet sê ek like hy golf hemp champ. He showed me some merch. I'll show Keegan. Hey, the boys are hungry for the merch. The boys are hungry for the merch. Hey, Armand. Now we love a good fair value gap.
Yeah,
If we can just get the Springboks to run into some gaps. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, no, I just, yeah, bro, I have a trauma from them.
All right, Chad. How's everyone doing? Everyone should be doing well. Okay, grits is grove millipap. Yay, that's...
Basically, yeah.
So it's actually millipap.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, I grew up on grits then.
It's a very easy way to explain it, yeah.
I grew up on grits then. That was... So I was Ronnie Coleman as a child. I have a feeling a monthly will be flipping bearish. Damn, Peter.
Alright, guys, we're gonna lock it in for US30. You guys know what's happening. Dropping down to the 1 minute. And we're gonna see what do we get ya.
Chris, I know secretly your
Alright.
IC fan at the order blocks. Hey, bro.
Markets are open, Chad. Round 4. Yeah, round 4. Let's fight.
There we go. Markets have now officially been opened.
Let's see ya, Chad. Let's see.
20-second
Are you ready for it, Chad?
Are you ready?
20-second trade's gonna come in hot here. Are we buying and selling USD? We're doing everything to USD, bro.
Ooh.
I will let you guys know when I'm in.
Alright. Okay, bro. I think after today, tomorrow morning,
Yeah.
I want you to set me up with your strat so that I know what you're looking at. Just me. You don't have to show the other guys.
Alright, I'm still not in, guys. Still not in yet.
Wait, let me add something here.
You're gonna see if you can figure it out.
No, I'm gonna...
To be fair, guys, Chris does already know what he's looking for. So there is a good chance you can figure it out.
No, nothing yet for me.
Still not in. I'll let you guys know when I'm in, Chad.
Charadonia.
I'll let you know.
Hey. Okay, I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm selling.
Okay.
So if that 1 minute closes, let's just see. I'm just trying to. If this 1 minute now, okay, no. If this 1 minute closes below 4402, I'm selling. I'm a seller if this next 1 minute. But let's see. Let's see. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know this strat, but
You can see, Chad. I think Chris is gonna enter close to me.
okay, yeah. If this this 1 minute is damperinoing. Okay, no. So yeah, it just needs to. I'll tell you, Chad. I'll tell you. Yeah, if it closes like this, Chad, I'll be shorting. Okay, no, can't do anything now.
Still
It's
not in, Chad.
Yeah, you can't. It's out of. They teleported in. They teleported in. I think, Keeks, I'll show you afterwards. I think just based off that first chat we had, I think I've got an idea.
I'm gonna see,
Yo, a little anxiety playlist. Let's get that anxiety.
Be aggressive, Chris. Hey.
Who's saying that? No such thing.
Linden.
Linden.
They like, come, Chris. Do it for them. Show them you figured it out.
Bro, I know you guys are. If it closes like this, you boys are selling. Oof, it doesn't want to. Okay, wait, 8 seconds. No. I can tell you. Keegan's gonna sell.
I'm buying.
Really?
I promise you.
Bro, are you for real now?
Chad, I promise you I'm in buys.
Damn. Okay, you're buying. Okay, then I don't understand it. No, I don't know. I would have sold there.
No, bro, the thing is, that's what I say, it's mechanical. There's something I look at, so that's told me to buy.
Oh, yeah, sorry, okay, that's
You
what I forgot.
You forgot the one thing, yeah.
Sorry.
I know everything else you were right, but the one you forgot.
Okay. Yeah.
So, mechanically, I have to buy, guys. That's obviously what I'm doing.
I checked there. Okay, yeah, Keegs. Okay, makes
Yeah.
100% sense. Okay.
So...
Okay, so it is. I think I've got it then. Think I have got it. Beautiful.
So we're gonna see what it does, Chad. Like I said, that's the thing. It's mechanical, so I can be very, very wrong, and I'm okay with that.
Okay, let me knew it buying. Okay.
You said that.
I don't know, somebody, Chris didn't listen last night. Armand, I actually didn't listen when I was listening to my wife. It's sometimes better to listen to your wife. But Keeks, now considering, okay, let's just wait and see. Considering if that other candle was obviously the opposite, then you would have bought there,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's still in.
Still in, brother.
I think you're out there.
Yeah. There we out. We are out, Chad. Okay, obviously you guys know I'd leave it on purely just for the R&D so I can see it. But we are out over there.
You
Bro, that is
is
so bleak. If this thing
30. But that is now where, remember I said last time, I'm looking at it, and if you look at where it was there, right where it stopped you out, to add another position, and you basically
Yeah.
widen your. I don't know. That's something to
Yeah,
look
it's
at.
something to look at.
What is this playlist?
I don't know, bro. You found a special one yet today.
No, it's NCS, but just that other one, we listened to it for 24 hours. So you see the gig. So now you add you average in. So your average entry is like almost Now you technically almost 1-to-1 with your average
Yeah.
entry.
No, I do agree with you, brother.
But it's still a lot of time, bro. This strategy is still an embryo. The strat is still, it's already proved it's worth anything now.
Yeah, it's almost like bonus now.
Yesterday's one, would it have given you a chance to add to your or not?
Yesterday's one, I would have been adding.
Oh, it would have.
I would have got one entry in, but it would have been in profit. So it wouldn't have been scaling in.
Okay, while
Yeah, the other way. Yeah.
All right. Okay, let me just see what the chat is. Sorry, I'm looking at so many charts here. How come I could not buy a funded account with you guys? How do you mean, Logan?
That's weird.
I think it's the previous support from yesterday. Buys, incoming kicks. Chris is forgetting. Did I forget the fundamental chats? No, man, there was nothing fundamentally.
No, Chris was on. He just forgot the one thing, guys.
Amen. Let me just see that I miss anything in the chat here. Going long on gold since we swept the previous weekly low, then broke structure. Just waiting. All right. Bagged auto. Yeah, I think for me, gold, I'm in two minds here. Nothing as of yet. If we hold
That's
this
on my
200,
screen there, brother.
if we hold this 200 and we can start trading above here, more than happy to. Hey, Francois Bietre.
Hey.
Kids, you've got that Horno.
Francois.
Francois Stuyvesant Bietre. That's going to stick now. Where's Etty today? That is Francois' 10th super live on stream. Thank you so much, Frana. Where's Etty, bro? Etty's not here today. Is Etty alright?
Bro, for once, he's maybe at work.
Yeah, I hope Etty is alright, guys.
It's very not like Etty not being here.
But yeah, Chad, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to throw over to Keegan's screen.
There goes NASDAQ. Gold. Yeah, there's USD fighting back, bro.
Okay, can we make a deal from tomorrow?
Yeah.
You add.
I add. Okay.
So you technically Chad, so for that strat, what we're gonna do is the stop loss is 30 points, and what we're gonna do is you're gonna risk 1%, and once actually your first position, the stop is actually gonna be 45 points.
Yeah, so something like you
Quickly
guys are
draw
looking on my
45,
screen,
yeah.
So if it's there,
45.
45.
Or make it even. You can even make it like
Technically
50.
50.
You
Let's
can make
say
it even 50.
Yeah.
But at 30, where you were going to be stopped out, there you add another position. And you still have, and that second position down there is actually the same stop. So that stop is only going to be like 15 points.
Yeah.
So then your average price, in that case where Keegan's drawn it now, is literally half. So your entry is gonna be like 35 points lower.
Yeah.
And at that stage, quickly pull it down, Keeks, just to show them the net effect of not considering the stop. No, that right hand position. Pull that. Yeah, keep that stop there, but keep your entry. Drag the entry down. Down. There.
Yeah.
Okay. And quickly go where price is now, because that should have been your the right hand side. The TP. No, sorry. No, keep it there. You'll take profit.
Yeah,
just take it where price up. Okay, there. What's the
3R.
R? 3R.
Yeah.
Look at that, Chad. Just by adding an additional position, your average price.
Bounce back. Yeah.
So it's not a case of, because a lot of times your stop loss is what's stopping you from actually getting the move. So my question is, why be so pedantic on the stop, where you can say, I'm giving the trader a little bit more, I'm adding to that. So I'm not saying it is right or it's wrong, but think about it, Chad.
It's definitely something to look at, Chad, and consider for it.
We are trading Forex pairs. We're trading gold. Giddy, sorry, man. I think are you specifically referring to... So here's my thing, Giddy. Here's my thing. If I look at it, let's quickly look at GBP USD. So GBP USD, looking at it, let's say I caught a trade here today. I caught a trade, rejection of Asia lows, daily pivot, 200 EMA. There's your break of structure. And I caught the trade there. There's 15 pips. Okay, today it moved. But look at that. So it took how long to move? And this was, okay, we would have might have taken it. But this would have been the actual trade for me. Yeah. This would have been the trade for me looking at the 80. So that would have been the trade for me there potentially. Look how many pips that is. 8 pips. So you technically don't look at this and say, oh, Chris, I caught the top and I exited at the bottom 30 pips. It's just that there's no volatility when it comes to Euro pairs. And it's also grinding. A lot of the price is grinding. So why not trade gold, which has got a lot of volume? Why not trade US 30 that's got a lot of volume, a lot of price volatility? And why not make it simple? Like for me, after removing the yen pairs, after removing pound USD, euro USD, I've been enjoying my trading a lot more. It's a lot more focused. I'm very honest. I barely trade US 30 or NASDAQ. I can get the direction right, but I don't have an edge on it. And I'm very honest when I say that. There's no edge that I've got, because the way that I enter the market, I cannot enter the market on US 30 and NASDAQ.
Yeah.
But what I will say is what Keegan's doing now is I'm closely observing it and I'm closely looking at it, and I'm going to add towards his thesis, and that could become a strategy I implement as well. But yeah, gold is for me something that I've traded well. My biggest wins and my biggest losses have come on gold. That's the unfortunate thing. But gold for me has been. I've also traded my biggest lots on gold on a real account, not Raja Bank fake Meta Trader Manager lots, like big lots, real lots.
Xander, the thing is, if you did what I explained to you last night, you weren't listening. Like you technically, you in a way would be correct. But again, remember I said to you, how I explained it to you was just how I was taught it. But the thing is, remember, I've changed it. I've adapted it to be a new type of strategy. So remember, how I took it now isn't how I taught it to you guys last night. Does it make sense? It's obviously hard for me without showing it now on the charts.
Jordan Payne, just want to say thank you to the G's, what they're doing for us. All a pleasure, my brother. It is a pleasure. Actually, I had a chat with Frana this afternoon, and we were talking about money and talking about as much as we do stuff for free, it's not for free. Everything has got a cost to it. You're getting it now for free, but even though there's no cost towards the stream, you're not getting it for free. You're paying for data. You're using data that you paid for to watch something on YouTube. Think of it that way, Chad. You paying for a phone. Maybe that phone is on a contract. You're paying for electricity to charge your phone or to charge your laptop. It is costing us electricity to do this stream. So nothing really in life is for free. Somebody paid for it, and even if you look at it in a almost a systematic manner of how it goes down the supply chain, nothing is really for free. The only real thing that's for free is oxygen. Think of it, that's for free. Sunshine is for free. Rain. But everything else, Chad, has got a cost towards it, even if you want to say it's for free. Somebody paid for it.
Yeah.
Chris, that's some real facts, brother. Yeah, bro, I think we forget it. We always want to say like, it's for free. It's no, bro, nothing. There's very little in life, and unfortunately, that's why I say, even if we do something where there's a cost involved, for instance, Project G, it's 750 Rand a month, and we always try and under promise and over deliver. And I feel like we've done a good job. We've said it so many times. There's guys that have made a lot of money just purely trading the news events with us. So even if you paid that money to trade 2 news events in a month with us, you've made money. Even if you've paid that money just to join the boot camps that we have once a month and to have the 2 weekly calls with us, there's value in it. Some guys would take what we said on that call the next morning. For instance, Stefan, I shared something on a Wednesday night call. The next morning he told me he's 250 pips in profit on gold. something simple. He caught it, and I still said, Stefan, are you trading Asia? He's like, bro, I'm trading Asia, and he did trade. He really trade Asia. And he waited for that setup. It was something we discussed in the chat. So again, the money there can pay 2, 3 years, 4 years of his 2G's membership. But it's not a case of some things can't be free. Some things. Let's just see. True investment, best investment is in yourself. Yes, Rashad. Like I said, information to some people, the value is nothing. Somebody that doesn't trade, if Keegan shared a winning trade here, that winning trade has got zero value for that guy. Someone trading $100,000 funded account risking $2,000 on a trade makes 2R. The value is $4,000. So information data has got different value for different people. Chris, have you tried Duplicam? Lawrence, they cuck. I was a big fan of Duplicam, and I'm very honest with you, I've had a lot of issues with them, and I paid some heavy prices in terms of trades not opening and closing on some big accounts. So if I'm very honest, social trading tools way better than Duplicam. Way better. Duplicam is no. You seem very level-headed, bruh. I'm paying attention to the streams. Thank you so much, my brother. We can only stay level-headed.
Chris, when will indices be tradable on Funder?
It's already tradable, Stefan. It's been tradable long ago. Remember, it's you can't use the same symbols, Stefan. It's US30C.
.o.
Yeah. It's US30. Let me open it up right now. Show you guys. Yeah, Lawrence, I think social trading tools is a little bit more expensive, but much better. Much better. Yeah, so Stefan, it's now US Tech. It's US Tech C. So all of the indices now have a C behind it and then a .a. That is the new feed. Stupid me, got it, thanks. Alright, there you go, Stefan Robler in the house chat. I use social trading tools, but when I started, I made a huge mistake on it. Yeah, you can. You most probably had the lot multiplier on wrong, and you got nuked.
Yeah, guys, obviously DXY, as you spoke about, holding that level, and DXY just taking off. So gold, all of them, I think they might be in for a little bit of pain before we can get some movement on them.
Joshua, after buying Project G, how long do we wait to be added to the project? Joshua, it is all dependent on if we are on stream or off stream, but it's usually within 12 hours you'll
Josh,
be added.
when did you pay?
I think you paid right now.
I was going to say, because we literally did it the last check now at, just before 3, quarter to 3. We did our last check of guys and made sure everyone was added and stuff like that.
Alright. Chad, look at gold. Look at gold. Don't say. Keeks, I don't know, bro. This could be one of those days. I'm just saying.
Well, that's the thing, bro. Everything, like yesterday, I said if it came back now for the retest of the monthly R2, it's technically failed. Now going down, I think indices can be in for some pain right now, bro.
Chad, all I'm saying is there's that 200. Keegan mentioned this on the 15. Stefan, I don't know if you took note here. If you know, you know. Look at that. Keegan mentioned this. 15. 15. I don't know. Chad, for the boys that know, you know.
Like, these things could be bringing some pain, yeah, bro.
Ed, where's Ed? Is Ed in the chat? Where's Ed? Where's Ed?
Bro, Ed's been waiting for that 200.
I know, bro. So if Ed's not in,
if you
I
missed
hope.
it, bro.
Bro. Joshua Shepherd, check. There you go. Exclamation G. You don't need banking details. You can pay with card. We've got
Yeah, just use Paystack, my brother.
Paystack or Ozar.
Ozar's down at the moment, but Paystack's still there.
Is it down? Why?
Remember, we had to have a meeting with that guy, and they're useless.
I thought we didn't have Paystack, so we've got Paystack.
We have Paystack. We have Ozar, guys, so you'll see it there, but I think we actually took it down now while it's down, because we have to have a meeting with them about something. Remember, they couldn't embed it properly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's Paystack.
Paystack's working perfectly.
Paystack is card, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we must do that. I must TP on the buys by 5 pips, didn't take the sells. Hey, Ed.
What's the... Oh.
Because
Wait.
I don't know why I'm fighting that 200 sword. Andre, me as well, bro. I was looking at it now and I was like, oh, maybe today is the day it flips and it's going bullish or whatever. Sisa Beliza. If you P boys, if she doesn't know Beliza, Keys, you don't know Beliza.
What do you mean I don't know Beliza,
Hey,
bro? That
bro.
was like the best place.
Really?
I love Beliza, bro.
Bro, you got, how old were you guys when, but you got,
Ladies' night on
bro.
Thursdays.
bro, you got the tail end of Beliza. we got it while it was still Beliza. Beliza.
Things are wild, Beliza, bro.
Hey, wait, you guys don't know Toby Joe's and Tapas and those places?
No, that I don't know.
Yeah,
bro.
that was even like before, like not before, like we were underage drinking at that stage. So
Yeah, no, that one, that's you, bro. I don't know that.
all right, Chad, we've got another big YouTuber in the channel, Foot Candy. When do we get sponsored by Foot Candy? We want some candy on our feet. 280. Big shout out, for Foot Candy, guys. Go check it out. He didn't ask me to do this. Maybe we get some Foot Candy. I know Keegan said he's keen for some Foot Candy. Look at that, my bro. 282K. You want to get that little tick. Subscribe for a cookie. Punt for a Foot Candy. I'm ready for it.
Bro,
Let's give me that Foot Candy.
That subscribe for cookies, the same thing as Mr. Beast.
Yeah. Subscribe for...
Maybe that's the secret, bro.
that is maybe the
Subscribe
secret,
for a cookie.
Chad. Holy. 282K subs, my man. I've actually chatted to him.
Yeah, John.
We were talking. How did it clean up his page? Was it only showing one video? 1,900 videos. That is a grind, my bro. Oh, this is grinding. This is numbers, Chad. But yeah, hopefully in coming weeks and months, Foot Candy can also be a proud carry, literally carrying the G's on our feet. There you go, Chatadonia. Foot Candy in the house. We make a plan to get something going. There we go. We just don't know which cookie you're getting. This man wants to get us in trouble, yeah. We want the prayer cookies. We open it up and there's a prayer in it.
Oh, damn. Don't we have, obviously, as I say, guys, I don't think it's going to be anything crazy, but we do have home sales coming out now.
Yeah, now in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I think, bro, it could be. It's mid-tier. Let's wait for it. Life is like a box of cookies, my bro. There you go. There you go. Yes, bro. If you get, I don't know, like I was chatting last night to somebody, and I said like 10K was 10K was hard, my bro. 10K wasn't like
I was a grind,
we
bro.
didn't like. Keegan also mentioned that one stream. We didn't have like 1 or 2 viral videos and like boom 10K. Every subscriber we thought tooth and nail for was like we in the trenches morning night. It's like, why are we streaming? Thanks for the shout out. Appreciate it. No, it's a pleasure, my brother. Always shout out fellow creators and businessmen. That's just paying it forward, Chad. Me doing this didn't cost me a cent. This didn't cost me a cent. There you go. Foot Candy in the chat. Go check him out. Go hit that subscription button. That didn't cost me anything.
Sheesh.
Now, why would people are weird. Why not support the fellow brother?
Home sales dropped dramatically.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Really?
TXY had a quick wick to the
Ooh.
downside.
All right, Chad. This battle is not over yet. We're still in this cauldron. We're still Those mommy donks take my. I didn't, bro. Chad, I'm honest. I'm a dad guy. I literally have 2 fellies on. Must I show you? I don't even think I can get a. They will be like, we don't know what social media is. 2 fellies.
Fairlies. All about the fairlies.
Can 2 Skunov. What's the place called? 2 Futa. Chad.
2 foot.
This is what I'm wearing. Like I don't know shit about dunks and panda dunks and Travis Scott's mother's sisters cousins dunks with the. Bro, I'm just here. Yo. Bro, I feel like I'm actually not really. I'm not really that cultured. Like you boys are like, oh, you see the Travis Scott Triple X 2GYZ dunks with the cream sole and the gold.
Bro, you got to, bro.
Chad, here we go, baby. Those Falcons. Where's 2 footer and 1 schooner? I actually typed in 2 footer now. Is it 2 valleys? 2 valleys. 2 valleys, get in contact with me. I can be a brand ambassador. Keeks, do you think Wait, is it 2 valleys? Yeah, it is 2 valleys.
Oh, yeah, Chris.
Hey, bro, I'm ready to.
Chris he wants that influenza life.
I want to be.
The influenza.
Hey, guys, we've just signed this new dad bod. Some people say he's half a star, but he's a full star in our hearts. We're giving him a yearly supply of soles. He needs to buy his own shoes. We'll just resole it. You can see he's quite heavy. He's going to eat into those soles. Bro, but I have to be honest. Freedom of movement. They honestly have some... Not valleys. They actually have a shoe that looks like almost like a sneaker. I don't know if you saw that, Keeks. It looks pretty dope.
Bro, you want to see shoes? Guys, I don't know for my sneaker boys out there. My shoes, bro, 100% court order and plug and play. That's it, boys. I'll give them a shout out happily. Those boys can hook you up with anything. And then always my boy as well, Alexi in hand.
Listen,
the boys
yeah.
killing it.
Listen here, but real talk.
Yeah.
The guys are trying to milk Siakulis. Like the guy should give up now. Like, bro, he's on every ad. He's literally, he's on the Vaseline ad. He's on the Dove ad. He's on Coronation. He is on Outsurance. He's on, bro, like.
He's everywhere now, bro.
Like, we get it. The man is a legend. Like, but think outside of the box. Like, we have to. The amount of ads. Like, it's even now at the stage where it's like, bro, we can't do Sia. Everyone has done Sia. Like, they're sitting in a marketing meeting. It's like, dude, I think, you know what would be good? We get Sia to actually sit in the stream taking a trade. And it's like, trade with the G's / Sia. It's like, no, we can't do Sia.
Just look at USD. Oh, my word.
Is it pumper rumping? Oh, a young pumper rump. Rumper pump. Hey, but Faf had a small run, my bro. Faf didn't really. Faf had like 2, I think the Bucky and the Outsurance one. Like the Toyota. Nadia Yafta is the trade. Is she a trader though? Nadia Yafta.
She's not a trader.
But I think she's done something with Okta.
Yeah, she worked a promotion with Octa. She's not a trader, bro.
Chris, Leo's foot must send me your logo, a high-res image. Hey, here we go, Chad. I have a custom artist who can put a 2G's design on a pair of white, I don't know, AF1s.
Air Force Ones.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, sorry, Chad. I'll learn this cultured lingo. Now the office smells like knickknacks. Sorry, Nick Keeks. Oh, my feet. No, man. Should have smelled the knickknacks when we were 6-7 dudes in here for 24 hours, not showering. Chris, I bet that was the only pair in your size. No, they actually have Falcons come in big sizes.
For the Buddha.
I can hook you up with. But yeah,
Right.
Dorian, what is hook up? Because I can go on the website, but hook up is like you send me a pair. That is if that is the hookup, I'm happy. I'm
Bro,
happy.
literally yesterday, one candle is currently 720 pips.
Roxy Low. Is Roxy Low also trading now?
I'm just saying, guys, if you're in Project G, we said literally this for yesterday last night. Oh my
I
word.
think Shaq got a mad buy. Chad, who's in Shaq's signals
Where's
group?
Quentin?
I
Hold
think
on, bro, man.
Shaq got a mad. Like I know Shaq's strat. He should have gotten like a
There
sniper
we go. He's
entry.
posted. Hold on. I knew he's gonna post. Bro.
Sniper entry.
I know, he
Killed,
posted.
destroyed, murdered.
To be fair, he wanted the pullback.
Yeah,
and
what
then
did
the
it
bar.
take?
He wanted a pullback and then a bar, but I don't know. He hasn't shown that he's in it yet. Where's Quentin?
No, I think he's in the. Or it just missed him. I think it might have just missed him. No, I'm kidding, bro. I don't want anything for free. It's just a case of. No, I'm just saying there's different hookups. Different hooks for different crooks. Shaq on Monk. Yeah, I don't know. The Monk thing is intense. He must cut his hair if he really wants to go in Monk mode. I'll challenge Shaq Friday.
Hey, there's Quentin. Sup? Quentin, is Shaq in bars, brother?
He should have been out already. If I know what he. The way I understand it, they're in and out already. They should be in and out. They literally got a sniper.
He
Oof,
was
what-
in and then stopped lost but turned after. Bro, I swear what Shaq is doing is so close to what I'm doing. I swear
No,
what
but
Shaq is doing is, bro.
no, man. How did
He
he?
must have entered where I did. Shaq's also 30 pip. If he got wicked,
No.
he literally entered where I
No, but he
entered.
should have never entered there. His entry came only. Oh, unless. Oh, I see. I think. Oh. No, but still.
Bro, he
No,
had to
he
have
should
entered
have
like where I
never-
entered. If he just got wicked, then he had to have entered where I entered.
That is weird. I don't know where. Chad, let's just see. I was on a mission. I was reading some stuff here. Ooh, what is happening now? Oh yeah, Chad, remind me. Friday's one is going to be live.
Yeah.
Shaq is not fully in monk mode if he still is there. Chad, I'm challenging him. I'm gonna bring the clippers. We're gonna cut his hair on stream. On stream. You can't be selective, monk. Let's have a. Let's just type in. I'm just typing in.
Monk.
What does a monk
Look like.
tag this? Send this to Shaq. Okay, that is not what. Sorry, a monk. What does a monk look? Chad, there. I rest my case. Chad, I rest my case. Shaq, I'm bringing the clippers. All I'm saying is we don't do stuff half here. You know the team. We don't do it off. If we're going monk, we're going full monk. And I'm bringing the clippers. Kicks, do you have? I think mine is. I've got a tiny one. You don't have like a full one.
No.
But
Bro, we'll make a plan.
But
We'll
we can,
make a plan.
so there's two options for Shaq Friday on the show. Either he leaves monk mode, he needs to officially go out of monk, or he needs to cut. And I think Shaq is gonna cut. We're gonna cut him.
I actually think you'll cut, bro. And the only reason I say
He
this
will
is
cut.
literally the last time he was in the office, we were talking about him shaving his head.
He will cut. So Kicks, just remind me. Please not forget.
What? No, he's shaving his head.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shaq didn't enter. Oh, is he trading gold now? What?
I don't know. That's
What?
Bro, I said that this morning.
What? Is Shaq now trading gold?
Guys, I swear he didn't even listen to me. He was going on that, ooh, shots fired. But then he's responding like this now.
Oh, okay. I see now. Quentin, wait. I'm just gonna remove this stuff. Quentin can just tell me. I'm not gonna show you the method, but Quentin at the enter here. Quentin can tell me. I don't know what his stop is.
Yeah, in gold, I don't know what his stop is.
I don't know what his stop. Maybe it goes with like 2.5, maybe. It would make sense. It also looks like he's trading the grids.
He is doing grids. That I know. I've seen the round numbers on the
Yeah,
chart.
so I think he got stopped. The way that I see it, if he's implementing the same US30, I'm not gonna show you all of it, but I think he just got nipped there. And then he goes maybe for like a 1 to 2 as well. So $5 move. Quentin can tell me there. Quentin, is this it? Chris the Beverly Hills Ninja still at his end?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's really
2.58 quints. Yeah, so I think he's utilizing the same strat. Alright. Interesting.
Oh, Shack attack.
Oh, Shaq. I hope Shaq is ready for that air to. I don't think. No, you know what? He's not going to cut. Because he's got a certain style that he wants to implement. I don't think. No, he won't cut. He'll actually leave monk mode. No, he's going to leave monk mode. Is anybody going on ninja mode? I might go on ninja mode, gigs, for a
Ninja
while.
mode?
Yeah. That's only where I wear a headband. Like Hello Kitty. Or what's that trader's name?
Yeah, it's Hello Kitty. Not a, Ninja. His name's Ninja.
No, man. The
stream-
trader. The streamer.
The streamer. His name's Ninja.
Ninja Kitty.
Where's the... No, there's no Kitty.
No, there's a kitty there.
You talking about Ninja?
No, man. Is his name Ninja?
His name's Ninja. Just go Ninja streamer.
Chad, what is his name? Roaring Kitty. There you go. Why did I say Ninja? He had a... There we go.
Okay, but that's Roaring Kitty, yeah.
So it's where we... Look at that. He had the headband. This man was full ninja. Roaring Kitty. Even this, yeah. Deep effing Value was his name. I actually follow, weirdly enough, Chad, believe it or not, I'm following. This is the only.
Oh, you see, yeah, it's Chris. So this is Ninja the streamer. He also has the headband.
Wait, let me see. Oh, okay.
He also has
So the
this.
headband brings power.
It brings power, bro. This is the #1 streamer, bro.
Really? What's his name?
Ninja.
Just Ninja.
Yeah.
Ninja.
Bro, just hold on. Just go check it quickly on.
I'll check now. Did I remove it? No ways. Chad, GameStop.
Oh man, I'm
I
not thinking of
removed it.
Ninja. What's the other guy's name?
I know I've got it. Oh, it's on the red list. Sorry, Chad. It's on my red list. Here we go. Okay, Chad. Top tickers. Philip Morris. Bottom ticker. Texas Instruments. Where is GameStop? Where is GameStop?
PewDiePie, not Ninja. Ninja is like a top gamer, but PewDiePie is
yeah,
a top streamer, yeah.
Is it PewDiePie?
PewDiePie.
Or is it PewDiePie?
PewDiePie.
Pewter.
Bro, imagine for streaming, bro. Streaming 111 million subscribers.
Does he have 100?
Streaming.
Chad, your life becomes a game. I'm honest when I say that. Like, if you've got 111 million subscribers, like you don't know what to do with yourself in a day. It's just like your entire day is just a vibe.
Like, bro, you post a video, like as a streamer, a gaming, and a 3-week video is sitting at 3.4 million.
Ninja Kitty.
What?
Monks sell their Ferraris, don't they? Anyone check on Nadia on his US that is shorts? That is short.
Who's that?
I don't know. Somebody said a ninja monk Naidu.
Pewdie was the biggest YouTuber one time. Yeah, he was. I still remember when Mr. Beast overtook him. That was who was it.
The battery guy, it's weird, y'all. Last week we were averaging 250. Even during the stream, we averaged a consistent 250. So I don't know if guys are.
I think guys blew up, bro.
Do you think guys blew up?
I think guys blew up.
Because if you think about it, we've had an amazing week so far. There were like 100 pips on gold this morning. Yesterday there was 60 points on US 30. There was a gold trade that I missed yesterday that I would have taken, which some of you took. So it's, I don't know. It's not. And Friday, the guys got some wins with Ed, with Miles, with Jev. Like, I don't know. The O's are upset. Why though? Why are the Owens upset? What's happening? Why? Mr. Beast. Yeah, Mr. Beast is mad. Thanks for the help, guys. Just paid for it now. Sweet, my brother. I have watched the movie. Awesome movie. Armand, awesome. Wonder why that other guy with the mask also has like 900 watching. Oh, yeah. Joashwan. Mark Robber on YouTube is insane when he uploads a video's views in one day. The other one also is another streamer, not streamer, a YouTuber that I love is Matt Armstrong.
Yeah.
A full buffet was on the table. Chad, that 24-hour stream was mentalius. Oh, you talking about colonoscopy, Andre? That other streamer. Colonoscopy. I wonder if Mad Shots will stop wearing. Hey, Dorian, I actually feel sorry for the guy. It's not even personal. I told him as well, because he contacted me on his personal account, and I said, bro, just get out behind the mask. That's not a way to live. Like, no, not even just beefing, like just straight up as a man, bro, you messed up. I don't care how you paid back the people, you paid back that money, whatever, like own up to it. Own up to it. You fucked up. Life happens. Shit happens. Like, you don't need to go and hide now. Because here's the thing, Chad. Even when that guy tried to launch his prop firm, he literally, if he wasn't awake and on the Discord, he literally disabled his Discord.
Yeah.
To go and sleep because he knew there was so much shit on him, and he would wake up and he would then restart the Discord. Like, then functionality comes back. Like, bro, that is...
Yeah. The only thing is, Jared, so I don't know, Chris, do you know Daily Driven Exotics?
Yeah,
DDE. Yeah, the thing is, I also enjoy them, bro. My only thing is, I don't feel like they're the same vibe as Matt Armstrong.
No, so
Matt's the whole idea of building, fixing, where DDE is just having fun, commercial. They're typical, almost in a way, like lifestyle and sports cars. Like, just having fun, like absolutely shredding sports cars. So they are cool. But yeah, I don't personally think they fall under the same like category as Matt anymore.
But even Matt is starting to get a little commercial now. Like, the boys are spending a lot of money.
Yeah,
it's there's nothing wrong. I think that's the evolution of a YouTuber. Like, your content's gonna grow.
Bro, I must still show you someone the other day. So guys, if you don't know, I think I've spoken to you about him before. But so I've always said, like, for me, if I ever have to take a celebrity, bro, this guy for me is full on
the
like
gym guy
goals. Yeah,
with the podcast.
Yeah, like he's
and
still
he's got
today
his own gym and
own
that
gym,
guy.
guys.
Yeah.
Christian Guzman. That is the guy I'm a fanboy of. I'll say he's a role model. He's someone you can look up to. Like, that man hustled his life off, built an empire. I mean, at 31, he just bought a
Is he
villa.
31?
31.
Yo.
He just bought a villa.
Well played.
And again, doesn't
played.
come from money, doesn't
Well
come from
played,
anything
well
like
played.
that.
I have to say, well played.
But again, that's where he always said it, where I get it from as well. Like, you need to, if you want to be there, he literally will say to guys, he sacrificed his 20s, had no life. So now he's 30s, he can sit back. But
Chad,
that
I'm waiting for gold. Remember we said this is the no trade zone. No trade range. This is a no trade range. This is a intense playlist. Very intense.
Oh, Eagle Trading Solutions from Swaziland. What's up, my man?
Oi, Swazi. Beautiful, my brother. Welcome, welcome. Chad, who's new here? Chris Slicks is also good. Yeah, I love Chris Slicks as well. I'm trying to think, RT, where did Chris Slicks come on the map? I feel like he was almost with Matt and then he went on his own. Or was he already on his own? And then, because somewhere along the line, I feel like his face is very familiar. Chris Slicks. Swazi Gold. Did somebody just say Swazi Gold now?
Swazi Gold.
Swazi.
Yo, guys, personally, I mean, for me, I'm not gonna look for anything now. Gold not moving. Even if I wanted the sells, I think I would have wanted a bit more urge out of gold. The fact, if we look at the way DXY is moving, US30, unlucky we got wicked today. But again, the strategy, you come back tomorrow. Nasdaq, just I'm not interested in Nasdaq lately. So yeah, personally for me, guys, I'm not gonna look for anything in this session now. That's gonna be me for the session.
No, Kicks, don't be nor because it took a...
I'm not, bro. There's nothing. I'm not gonna force
Give
something.
me a chance as well, too.
No, I'm not saying.
Like,
I'm saying
you're in the
me.
lead, yeah,
You
bro.
can
You're in the
go,
lead,
bro.
yeah.
I know you're gonna still like. You're gonna get there, bro. You're gonna get there.
Hey, Chad. I don't think it's gonna move till tomorrow. Yeah, I've got to. I'm giving it say like 4:30. If we haven't, because this is literally where we open up. The open was there, and
That's literally 0.2% on the day.
yeah, we have not moved, and that's fine. Like, it's fine. If we get some movement, as I mentioned, like sells below here, and also sells here, but the thing is, after the open, we never went into that level and didn't really give me a structure to trade from. So let's see. It can't break 2400, Chris. Yes, if it can't break, I'm ready to look at something here. That's what I'm saying. I'm not rigid. I'm not in the case of, oh, it can't break. But if it breaks, I'm ready to execute on it. And it should move every day since there's news. Mike G's. Yes, Chris. What's up, my brother? Why are you laughing? What did I say? No, Matt is solid. It's dope. See him rebuild the crashed builds. Yeah. Matt 7 yard at 720 is mad, bro. Yeah, Matt's life is also a movie, Kicks.
Yeah, no, it is, bro.
Bro, that man's life is a movie. Like, I feel like Matt, the only stress Matt has is not, bro, he doesn't even have stress. He lets that dog, that Boston, run over like a 4 or 5 million rand car on the seats. Like, look at this little cute little dog, and it's in the car, and I'm like, bro, that little dog is like ripping that interior. But let's go. Kevin. Bro, he's not even stressed about Kevin ripping the leather off those seats.
Nah, bro. No, he's not stressed, bro.
Kicks, seeing that you're not taking any trades, maybe bring one of the art pieces in just to show the chat. Let's show our favorite one.
The favorite one.
Or you can actually show them all three, but
they're gonna go up.
we can show them. Don't be a sour sport. No, I said don't be an argat. Don't be... No, I'm kidding. It's like that when you lose and it's like, I'm not playing anymore. I don't like this trading game. I'm out. Just peace and love. Yeah, Chad, we might get a trade, yeah. I'm just going to wait. I don't want to call it too early. I've seen it too many times where I call the stream early and then the trade happens. I think no, it's gonna be better by you. There's no light here. But just show them one. Or you're gonna show them all of them? I think just show them our favorite one. The gorillas. Do you wanna leave that? Okay. I don't want to get chat. We're gonna show you one piece. Let's see here, Keeks. I'll tell you if it's in shot. Okay, Chad. There's the one piece getting framed for the studio. Can't see too much, but yeah, make your moves in silence. Hey, Chad. There we go. Chris, don't call it early. Let's wait till 5. Check the views go up to 400. Okay. Whoa, Eti is back, Chad. Kiggs is here. Eti coming out of. Andre, okay. If the views don't go up, you're gonna tell my wife. We're not gonna hang them. I'm gonna check for a drill because we're gonna have to drill in between the stones, and then I'm gonna check for a nice long nail and anchor. How does it look on the back? Does it got rope? I hope they give us. Oh, they didn't give us rope. Yeah, so we're gonna need to get some rope because the issue is having to drill 2 nailing anchors in a wall like this. Yeah. So you just tie it. Gaan lees net meer boontoe. Hey, ek's nog heeltyd hier. Sorry Etienne, ek jou gemis. Kyk, your US 30 setup was fire at the end of the day though. Fire. Wait, let me see it quick.
Like having the one, yeah.
Oh, we bring the one there.
Yeah, so the one
Purple. Oh yeah, you said purple.
and the purple's only about you.
Sheesh. Oh, there's already hooks here, bro.
I don't know, yeah.
Already, maybe it's not even if we get the rope, the purple one can already hang it. Because I'm telling you to drill into this.
It's gonna be hard, bro.
Like dust is the one thing I'm already crying inside. The amount of dust. And then just the drill bit. Okay guys, Andre said, Geeks, if you guys have to go, you gotta go. I'm gonna test it. Andre said, watch the views go up at 5. Andre, yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. I'll chat to my wife. And we'll take those gold bars. If the views don't jump, Andre, we in trouble, my bro. Andre, we in trouble. Hey, it is here, Chad. Already increasing, was at 147 when I sent message. No, it's actually dropping, Andre. Here's the thing. Check here. So there was the peak, 208, and we dropped to 183. Then it like tried to hold the 200 here. Little double top here. Little liquidity sweep there above the pre-session highs. And now we're getting some bearish order flow, even dropping now to 162. So this could be a correction. You could see like a fair value gap. I think it could turn bearish once we hit 100, but that 100 could be a fair value gap, and we can make new highs on the session. I don't know. That could be the case. All right, chat. Here we go. Let's get ready. Let us get ready. Ready. Shot my brother. Sheesh. I'm gonna, without Keegan, Chad, I'm gonna throw something here, but don't tell the boys. But we'll wait. We'll wait. Yeah. Thank you so much. I say you can't say you're sick and then you're in gym. Really? Chad, pray for Mo. That 24-hour stream wrecked this young man. This 24-hour stream, Keegs.
Yeah.
The boys need to pray for Mo. He was very, shame Mo. Remember I told you guys, Mo has got that private school body. That soft is a very...
Guys, I'm just saying, technically, if we actually stuck completely to the NASDAQ thing of NASDAQ, the
Wait,
EQ
let me
strat.
just throw it on your screen.
If you guys stack to the EQ strat, the very first test.
The stack. Oh, you mean the strat?
Yeah.
Oh,
If you went like stop loss or TP,
I'm ready to stack.
you 100% previous daily high. There's your move. So even then you would have got it. But even if you got the retest, yeah, like you never would have been taken out. So even that would have worked perfectly today. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that is going to be me today. Like the Batcave Loki. Yeah, that's where the art pieces, when the art pieces are there also behind Chris, it's going to give it light to bounce off of, so it won't look so dark. And then obviously we got the lights coming in. So as you say, guys, we the studio is workable. Like we can be in here now. It's super nice, but it's not done yet. So definitely still going to come in. But yeah, guys, for me that is going to be the session. Gonna come back, chill tomorrow, take it out, sort everything out tomorrow, and then carry on with that. So yeah, guys, are you just going on? Is or a different one? To be fair, bro, I also wondered because there's another adamant now that I know, but I think it's spelled differently. So I was actually curious which adamant now this is. I don't know why, bro, but I didn't even think of Addis, but that's actually also true. That's also his name. Gold is clearing that 4. Hey, Chris getting ready to take that trade. He's gonna miss entry, guys.
I never miss anything. Alright. Keegs, your wife is gonna...
I'm from Pretoria, though. I need my nickname. Okay, bro, but that is you, eh? That is the Adamant now that we're talking about, yeah. But hey, guys, yeah, my missus is gonna kick my ass soon.
Oh.
I have to leave because we gotta get a gym. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. As always, take care of yourself, take care of each other, chat. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, your missus. I'm just gonna check if I hope Andre didn't bang us up here. Hi, Andre. My wife, I want to say, Andre said more views. More views for the pews. No, chat, I'm here. I'm waiting for gold. Call those stream hoppers now. Call those stream hoppers. Guys, I've got a segment for you guys called Stop Loss or TP. We send our analysis and you guys decide if we TP or stop loss. We can do that. I think we get one. We must actually do an additional poll of where we just don't lock me in, but don't lock me out. I think my key is on that other. Oh damn! It's Keegan went full blank there. Apologies, Chad. There we go. 5 p.m. Let's see. Let's see. 5 p.m. And I'm missing a key. No, my vault markets key. No, it's fine, but is there not that other spare one with the chain we usually... I wonder where's mine because I opened up my first. Yeah. I usually put it in the other my office. Not. Okay, that's fine. As long as I think there is some space. No, not on Martin. Andre. They say if you have 10k subs, then all the viewers come 5 p.m. Hey, Andre. If Andre is wrong, it has to go full margin. Andre, the views are just dropping, my brother. So maybe it's because the guys see red. Let's see if we do some green on the screen. Green screen. If we can get some people on. But hey, Andre, it seems like... I agree, Kalen. This man needs to... Chad, I don't know, these little blocks we draw. Again, go to the start of the stream. Previous daily high, weekly pivot. I'm just saying they do a number. A number. Oh, that's not one. Who? It's our Andre. Armand Nel.
We're trying to figure out which one it is. It's the big one on IG.
Oh, the deadlift guy. Cheers, my brother. If Chris, I'm determined to get a W today, but seems like we missed gold. No, Andre, so here's the thing. If you consider... Wait, let's just do this quickly. Live streaming just went. Let's go with the old classic playlist. The playlist for... Sure, here we go. Old classic. If you don't know this playlist by now, or what, I don't know. Yeah, Andre, so why I don't consider the straight to be missed is due to the following. This is a key level. This is definitely a key level. If I bring this across, let's just bring it across. So for 2 days in a row, yesterday 2 days ago on Monday. Yesterday, this level was Asia lows, and there was quite a bit of action going on around that level. Today, that was Asia high. And also, today, we had a bounce above that level, a retest, and none of the retests really held, except for this one, which is even still not... You guys that have been in the boot camp with me, you guys know I don't consider this to be a retest. And you can say, Chris, but that is a retest. No, for me, it is not a retest. A retest is a push above a level, and it's actually candle bodies holding above a level. So that for me is not a valid retest. This as well is also not a valid retest because we broke below that level, pushed up, and now again failed to hold above that level. So you can see multiple rejections off that level. So again, that is also not a considered retest for me. This is a retest for me. This I consider to be a retest because look at it. We came in, we tested the level, we bounced. We came back, that level got tested, the body pulled back. Alright, the price held above after touching it. The body was above that level. That is a valid retest for me. Now, Andre, this, if we can hold above this 2405 level, and then after holding above it, we can create some type of support. Look at that. So that's why I say it's not missed. You have to, if you were if you had FOMO and you entered here without confirmation, you are now considering, what am I doing? But now if we wait, and even if this candle closes bearish and it closes above that level, that is a successful retest. All we need then is for the next candle to either create a nice bottom wick and then to even maybe engulf that candle, and we can go for a potential break of that high. And you can say, Chris, but that's not a valid break of structure. But then also consider this. Could this have been the pullback? Because this was all bearish order flow. And if I go on a line chart, look here, Chad. Is this not for the SMC guys? Is this not, let me do this. Is this not a shift, or what do you guys call it? Not a break of structure, but is this not a order shift, or is it a break of structure? I don't know what you guys call it, but I just see, for instance, like we were going lower. And again, I'm not a trend line trader, but we can obviously see that the linear regression is lower. And now all of a sudden price is not creating new lows. Price now actually took out a lower high. So there's a definite shift in order flow here. Now it's just a case of, was this a fake out? Was this just a deeper pullback for price now to go again? I don't know. But if it holds this level, it's very likely coming back to that level. All right, so I'm going to give it a couple of minutes here. Let's see. Change of character. There you go. A chalk. Some of us needs to get off the chocolates, not the chalk. Those little chalks in the evening when you're supposed to be sleeping is not good for your physique. I'm liking the longs. The only thing I don't like about the longs is this. That's the only thing I don't like. But again, you can argue, if you look at it this morning, we took the longs there and the 80 was below the 200. So again, it's that chance. What is your threshold for pain here? Okay, beautiful. If we close like that, stunning. Now all we need is the next candle to come down, test that level, and something like that is impeccable. Nice little structure break. Gonna take it on the high. That is literally the session high. So we're gonna be it's gonna be very simple. Once we enter, once we hit that level, we want to see a spike of volume, and we want to see price running to those highs. If we don't get that and we start dying down from here, I'm calling it a session. All right. Then it's very simple for me to call. Is this US30? No, this is gold, my brother. I must actually. This watermark is maybe. All right, guys. So step 1 complete. Let's give it a little bit more juice here. How's that, chat? That's better, eh? Gold. Alrighty, chat. Now, step 1 complete. Now we need step 2. DJ's full portrait on Keeks. No, like I told Keeks, I like his strat. I've got an idea of what his strat is. Like I said, the big thing for me is don't try and smother the trade with, because here's the thing, the difference between Keegan's strat and the strategy Shaq trades is that Shaq's strategy has got like a 50 to a 48% win rate, so it's actually critical that you go for the 1 to 2. But Keegan's strat has got a higher win rate, so you don't necessarily have to be so tight on the stop being 30 points. Don't let the idea of getting the direction right. you've got the direction right where that initial move is going to go, but now you smother the trade with having such a small stop. And I think a lot of us can say in our trading is we've had it where it's like, bro, I call the market right. I usually just get stopped. And then if you've picked that up in your trading that you just get stopped, why have you not said, okay, let me half my risk, let me double my stop loss, and let me add another position there where I usually just get stopped. Let me try that. Like, I've been losing for how long? Let me try that. And then you'll see, oh shit, okay, now I'm actually in the trade. I bettered my position with that in extra position. And that's the issue. I think that's the issue with a losing streak is we tend to not use our brain. As mad as it sounds, I think you become like a boxer. You've been knocked down so many times you can't use your brain. You're out on your feet. You just think you've got that gambler's fallacy where, like, at one stage, I'm going to be right. I'm going to hit it big. I'm going to get a big winner. And you just never hit anything. You never hit anything worthwhile. All right, chat. Let's see ya. Beautiful. Stunning. There we go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Get your charts ready, Chad. Now is the time for some potential trades. Chris with the magic again. Now going long. No, I'm not going. 2G stream has more viewer than Chart Addict stream, even though they have over 67 followers. 67. Yeah, I'm waiting, bro. So go exclamation Discord, Chad. For those guys that are new here, you'll see at the education section, I'm waiting for this buy scenario. I'm literally waiting for that one there. Market structure A. So that is what I'm waiting for, that continuation trade. So that's the continuation setup I'm waiting for. A reversal trade possible, but it's going to need to do quite a bit for me when it comes to reversal buys. I'm going to need to see a low being taken and an engulfing candle, which I doubt we're going to get here. The higher probability play is something like that, a candle closing like that with a nice bottom wick. That's if we get it. If we don't get it, that's also completely fine. Then we call it a day. We already had beautiful wins this morning. We're not gonna... I had that strategy with FX, but got expensive some days. Armand, I don't know how it can become expensive because technically your second position is still, you've got an average price, so you're still opening yourself up to the same amount of risk. It's not an uncalculated risk. You're not just fanning buys if the market is going against you. It's still calculated. Yeah, psychologically you are drained. You need to adapt to change in the market. We're still waiting. Yes. Sia, bro, I believe you've been here. Like, we tell you when we enter a trade. Like, go check this morning. We literally said, hey, Chad, I am entering buy stops here. Literally there. And I said, Chad, my stops are there. And I said the target could easily be up there. So Sia, come on, brother, you have been here. I don't know why you... Like, we will tell you when we enter. We literally tell you exactly what we do every single day. There's no thing of... I'm not going to be in a trade and then afterwards like, whoa, Chad, These cells were juicy. Who took it? Look at that little double top there. I got in with a 2 pip stop. Just clapped 25 Aria. I'm done for the year. See you guys next year. No, like you'll know. Not every day is a trading, but we already had it. We've had a trade. That's the thing. We've got a beautiful trade. Technically, we shouldn't even be sitting here. I'm just testing Andre's theory. Andre's theory being wrong so far, but we're gonna test it. We're gonna give Andre the benefit of the doubt here. We're gonna give Andre the benefit of the doubt. We had a beauty on gold today, bro. It was incredible. Not even... The only thing I have to say in hindsight, the only thing that did bother me a little bit was these 2 candles. I'm not going to say it didn't bother me. These 2 candles here, no bottom wicks. I was like, am I going to get another? Here's the thing. I'm still carrying a bit of trauma from last week. I think it was 60 or 70 pips going from up 25, 27 pips to break even. Just, I was like, bro, could have ended up the week like 4%. I think I only did like 2% or 1% on the week. So that was a little bit of trauma for me. Not trauma, like I just want to lock it in. Yeah, that's why you wait, Chad. Look at that. Beautiful. That is why you wait for confirms. That's me. Cheers, Ethan. See you tomorrow, my bro. See you tomorrow. Looks like Andre has to go full margin. Ace Chris, maybe I was just hoping for gold to play along, but no, it's fine. I'll take the shot on those who can go. No, I'm fine to stay a little bit longer, Andre. Do you have a record of performance we can see before we join G membership? Scam Hunter, we do. Do me a favor. I want to show you something here quickly. If you go onto this channel here, you're gonna see 461 live streams, and then what you can do is let me just go here. So you can literally go on live and you can go to oldest, and then you work it back from 11 months ago, every single stream. And there you have it, literally replay by replay. You can even see what we were talking about that day. And it's incredible. It's live, it's on the internet, it's going to live here forever. You can go last week, you can go next week, or you can forward test us. You can join us for a week or two. No need to do anything now. Join us for a week or two, and then forward test with us. Forward test, see if you enjoy it. But yeah, it's as simple as that. 461 live streams. Yeah, Scam Hunter, I think hunt through all those videos. Cheers, Chris. Good London session today. Thanks, Carlin. No, Scam Hunter, sorry man, I don't know. You can show it on MT4. Oh, you want to see MT4? Alright, Scam Hunter. Let's see, this is the month so far. Here is the month so far. I don't know if you can see it, Scam Hunter. Must I send you bank statement? Oh, damn. Scam Hunter, get in contact with me. I'm going to send you 12-month bank statements as well. Like, you got to be thorough. You got to get those tax clearances as well. So I'll send you my income tax number as well, so you can phone SARS just to check. MT4. No, we don't do MT4, Scam Hunter. You're a scam if you're trading on MT4. It shows us you have zero clue what trading is about. Get off MT4 and then maybe change your name from Brain Hunter. You're hunting to get some brains. No, I'm kidding. No, leave the guy. Leave the guy. No, Scam Hunter. I'm kidding, bro. No, listen. It's the right thing to do. You don't have to join anything, my brother. Please don't join. Like, just join the streams every day. Come on, some scams here on the stream with us. Only people who scam use MT4. If somebody is still trading on MT4, like, run away. Like, I can tell you that, man. Yeah, he's scamming. MT4 is a scam on its own. That'd be great. Yeah, Scam Hunter, I'll send it to you. I'll log into my banking app as well so you can see my net worth. Yeah, just let me know. No, Chad, but sorry, man. Chad, here's the thing. You don't have to join anything. Project G as well. Everything we do is on here as well. Project G is not a signals group. It's not a mentorship group. It is a membership group to get access to us. Even though Scam Hunter, let me just show Scam Hunter here. So Scam Hunter, trade alerts, not signals, it's trade alerts, is literally connected to our account. So every single thing we do is on there as well. So, and then every single stream we've ever done is also on here. For the last year, we've only been streaming for a year. So more transparent than that, I don't know. Like, the last 12 months is literally on YouTube for you to see. All right, brother. Yes, I think if you sell a service, there should be proof you can do it. All right. Okay. Chat, there we go. There needs to be proof you can do it. There needs to be proof. Yeah, live streams. We faked all of these live streams. Sorry, Scam Hunter. All of these wins, all of these W's with the chat, it was all fake. It's actually, we pay 200-300 people a day to come on here and just type in W. So yeah, we actually time readers. We go in time and then we come back in time and we fake wins. But anyways, chat, I love it when a good old Scam Hunter comes along hunting a scam here. So Chad, no trades here for me today, or not today in this session. We took the buys this morning. Beautiful. Everyone that took those buys. Unfortunately, those buys were a scam. I don't know, Chad, if you got scammed, just type a W in the chat if you got scammed with those buys this morning. Yeah. Those buys were scammy as fuck, my bro. If I look at those buys, the drawdown on them were, what was that, 17 pips. Scammy buys this morning, chat. Wait, let me just check. I don't know if Scam Hunter is still on your... Yeah, Scam Hunter, we got scammed by these profits. I hate it when we get scammed, when you enter a long trade and it goes to TP. That is, bro. Damn it. Scamming us with those buys. Damn. Yeah, this morning's stream. Okay, chat, let's see. Where did we get scammed this morning? Ooh. Chad, when did we get scammed? I think we got scammed quite early on into the stream. There we were chatting a little bit about A book, B book. Alright, I think we got scammed. There, Chad, that's where we got scammed. Look at that. Let's just look. Yeah, let's just quickly go through it again. I think I was saying, Chad, buy stop's not active yet, and they had activated me before. Before I even typed it. Okay. Let's see. We got scammed there. All right. Sat through some drawdown. Said if we hold that box. Okay. Yeah. There. Alright, there we went break even, and then Keegan took over. I took my piece, and then Keegan got heavily scammed. Oh my sack, yeah. Yeah, W. Look at these guys. With these guys, I don't know, bro. But anyways, chat. Hate it when we get scammed. But anyways. Nazim Kasim got scammed yesterday by 60 points on US 30. It's incredible. Bank account says it's okay. Chat, anyways, I love it. We love all people, even Mr. Policeman there, coming on his little righteous rocket here. You should maybe join the prayers twice a day. Join those, my brother. Let's first get you saved. And then we start hunting the scammers. Chad, listen here. Peace and love, baby. There's nothing else I would do here. US 30, just choppy, very choppy. As I mentioned, everything's going to happen around this monthly R2 level. Rejected, came back down, went back up. Nasdaq called it this morning here, said this is the zone if we can trade above it. 80 was nice and bullish. Also said if we are going to continue, if you weren't here at the start of the stream, go re-watch the analysis. Said if we can hold above here, we can look long. Why? Previous daily high, key level, that's where volume's going to come in. If we reject the previous daily high, highly likely we could go lower. Also a weekly pivot level. Gold, as mentioned last night to the members, purely looking for buys today. Nothing special. Just looking at recent price action using the EYES indicator in conjunction with the BRAIN indicator. Those collectively just helped me to think a little critical and say, oh shit, this entire range we have not traded bearish for more than 3 days. There was only two occasions when we traded bearish for 2 days. Then at least we had a little pullback. So last night on the 2G's call, unfortunately those guys got scammed as well. We said, Keegan and myself said we're looking for buys today, and damn, those buys scammed us. So Chad, so yeah, that's the session. We will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Please do not go and overtrade now. You got to win. You got to win in the bag. As I've mentioned, if you are break even or even a winner, you're part of a very small percentile of traders. So cherish that as much as winning becomes a habit with what we do, and we expect to win. Let's not lose the value, and let's not lose respect for the market. The market, it can very easily crack you as well. So as much as we're on a high and everyone's winning, and that's great, let's keep that respect to the market. Let's respect the craft, and let's all come back safely tomorrow, Chad. And again, peace and love. Really appreciate all the support, Chad. See you guys tomorrow. We put in a shift here today. Almost got scammed here trying to trade gold. Chad, don't worry. You guys don't have to nuke somebody like that. It creates entertainment. It creates some engagement. You're always going to get it. I've seen it so many times, people coming on here, and like you said, it's people that have been hurt, and it's fun. We are here That's the biggest reason why we started with this page, is to bring value. And if you don't like what we do, it is fine. We still love you. So Scam Hunter, peace and love, baby. Come tomorrow again. Open mindset, forward test with us. Go back, do a full audit. I would actually love if you can do a full audit of the previous year. I would love that. If you can do that for us, dude, you'd be an absolute legend if you can do that for us. But if not, forward test with us. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
Hey, so this is a little awkward. Things haven't really been working out as well between us, and I think it's time for both of us to kind of just move
I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Sweet. I'm here when you need my voice. 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 Sweet.